Hello student, in last Zoom period we solved the example in practice set 3.5 for the polynomials. In this practice set 3.4 there are some questions. Question number 1, in find the values of polynomials 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 for the x is equal to 0, and question number 2 and question number 3 and 4 are also solved in last Zoom period. In this period, we solve the fifth question in practice set 3.5. Question number 5 is divide the first polynomials by second polynomials and find the remainder using factor theorem. First example, x square minus 7x plus 9 and divisor is x plus 1. Means in this example we divide the first polynomials by second polynomials and find the remainder using the factor theorem. First example, x square minus 7x plus 9 and this is divisor is x plus 1. Therefore we write p of x. P of x means first polynomials. P of x is equal to x square minus 7x plus 9 and divisor is x plus 1. If we put x is equal to minus 1 and this value put in this polynomials, we get a remainder. Take or put the value of x is equal to minus 1 in given polynomials. In given polynomials, we get a remainder. We get a remainder. Therefore, p of x is given polynomials x square minus 7x plus 9. Put this value means opposite of this plus 1 is minus 1, means p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 7 into minus 1 plus 9. Therefore we get minus 1 square is 1, minus minus become plus, 7 into 1 is a 7 plus 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17. This is a remainder. Therefore the remainder is 17 by a remainder theorem. Means a remainder theorem, we put the value of divisor, opposite number of this number is minus 1, put this minus 1 in given polynomials, we get remainder by remainder theorem. This is first example. We write second example is in bracket 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a is dividend and x minus a is divisor. Divisor is equal to x minus a. Therefore put the value of x is equal to a in given polynomials. P of x is given polynomials is 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a. P of a is equal to, put the value of x is a, means 2 of a cube minus 2 into bracket a cube a square plus a into bracket a minus a. Therefore P of a is equal to 2a cube minus 2a square plus a square minus a. Therefore P of a is equal to 2a cube minus 2a square plus a square is minus 2 minus 1 is 1, a square minus a is remainder. Therefore the remainder is 2a cube minus a square minus a is a remainder. By remainder theorem, means by remainder theorem we get remainder is 2a square minus a square minus a. This is second example in question number 5th. Then we solve the third example in question number 5th. Is third example is, this is third. (54 m cube plus 18 m square minus 27 m plus 5 and divisor is m minus 3. Put the value of divisor m minus 3. Put m is equal to 3 in given polynomials. Then we write divisor is m minus 3. Therefore put the value m is equal to 3 in given polynomials. Given polynomials is P of m is equal to 54 m cube plus 18 m square minus 27 m plus 5. Put m is equal to 3 in given polynomials, means P of 3 is equal to 53 in bracket 3 cube plus 18 in bracket m square is 3 square minus 27 into 3 plus 5. Then solve. Then 3 cube is 27, means 54 in bracket 3 cube is 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27 plus 18 in bracket 9 square is 3 square is 9 minus 27 into 3 is 3 into 27 is 81 plus 5. Then we get multiplications of these two number is, we multiplied 57 into 27, 7 into 4 is 28, 7 into 5 is 35 plus 2 is 37, then 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 5 is 10, 8, 15, 4, 1 means 1458 plus 8 into 9 is 162 minus 81 plus 5. Then sum of these three number is 5 plus 162 is 167. Then sum of these two is 5 plus 8 is 15. 6 into 6 is 12. 6 1 1625 minus 81 4 4 1 5 is 544 is remainder. Therefore we write the remainder is 1544 is the remainder of third example in question number 5. Then we solve sixth example. If the polynomials, question number 6, we write question number 6. If the polynomials y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m is divided by y plus 2, and the remainder is 15. Then find the value of m. Then find value of m. Means in this example we give divisor is y plus 2. Put y is equal to minus 2 in these given polynomials. We get a remainder by remainder theorem. But in this example remainder is also give 50. Then we tally from 2 remainder, we get value of m. We write p of y is equal to y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m, and divisor is y plus 2. Put y is equal to minus 2 in given polynomials. Therefore we get p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 cube minus 5 into bracket minus 2 square plus 7 into minus 2 plus m. This is a remainder, means minus 2 raised to cube is minus 8 minus 5 into 4 minus 14 plus m. Then we get minus 8 minus 20 and minus 40 plus m. But means we get minus 20 minus 14 is 34 minus 8 is 34 plus 8 is 42. ह्या तिघांची बेरीज करायची आहे. तिघाला वजा चिन्ह आहे, त्यामुळं त्याची वजाबाकी जी आहे ती समान चिन्ह देऊन सरळ बेरीज 32 plus m. This is first remainder, and remainder is equal 50. This is second. This is given. Then we get from 1 and 2 minus 42 plus m is equal to 50. Therefore m is equal to, हे वजा 42 पलीकडे गेल्यावर अधिक 42 होईल. m is equal to 50 plus 42. Therefore m is equal to 92. m is equal to 92. Thank you.